Mama? Come see Mama? My kisses. Come on, Sophia. Come on, jump. What is she doing? Is she eating your treats? Is she eating your treats? Poor Oliver. Poor Oliver. Hey. Sophia, what was she doing? She's in the cage. Booger. I love you so much.
You daddy's boy, huh?
What are you doing?
Daddy's boy.
Sophia is over there. What are you doing? Are you guarding Oliver's ball? Did you throw that down? Where's my kiss? You're so cute. Hi. Hi. Very good, Oliver. Very good. Hey, Sophia. I love you too, Oliver. You want to get off the camera?
Telling daddy a story? Yes, you are. Oh. I love your laugh, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, you did. I spoke too soon.
That's perfect.
That's perfect. You are so cute. You amazingly smart boy.
I love you so much.
I love you so much. You flew in my head and said, "How you doing, big boy?"
I don't know. He makes up his own voice sometimes.
Did you poop on daddy?
No.
We miss you, buddy.
She's a happy girl.
She is a happy girl.
You're a sweet boy.